I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Binance credit card purchases. We'll dive into how to use your credit card to acquire cryptocurrencies on the Binance platform. I'll guide you through the essential steps, from initiating a purchase to understanding the associated costs. Our goal is to provide a clear, concise overview so you can make informed decisions about funding your crypto journey with a credit card. When using a credit card on Binance, it's crucial to understand the fees. Binance itself generally charges a transaction fee of up to 2%. Additionally, your bank or credit card provider might impose foreign transaction fees, often around 3%, and potentially cash advance fees. There are also minimum purchase amounts, like €10 and weekly spending limits, such as €5,000, depending on your currency and region. Using a credit card for crypto purchases on Binance offers significant convenience and speed. You can acquire digital assets almost instantly, which is great for capitalizing on market movements. However, this method often comes with higher fees than bank transfers. Also, some credit card issuers might categorize these transactions as cash advances, incurring additional charges, or even decline them due to their policies on cryptocurrency purchases. To optimize your experience, consider alternatives like bank transfers, which often have lower fees than credit card purchases. Peer-to-peer trading on Binance also offers flexibility with various payment methods and competitive rates. Always verify your credit card issuer's policies to avoid unexpected fees or transaction rejections. For long-term holdings, explore Binance Earn products to potentially generate passive income from your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.